My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove fake survey alerts that are related to the site Doroesay.live. Doroesay.live is a malicious site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. These pop-ups by Doroesay.live display fake security alerts that try to make you forced to share a lot of your personal details. Doroesay.live tries to make you share your name, surname, email address, and other information. If you share this personal information, your personal data may be granted to third parties illegally. So don't share your personal data, simply leave this page. We also recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then begin researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.